Hey, look, it's All Might, but you know, Netflix.
What? I want to see him. Let me see him.
He's kind of I'll say white.
Oh. Oh. I love that we both said oh.
I didn't want to say it at first. That's why I said Netflix adapted. But like,
He's
nah,
kind
I didn't know if you guys
He's
knew
kind
what I
of
meant by that.
live action Death Note. Oh, wait. I'll catch up with you guys in a second. I gotta fight crime.
Help! Get it!
I'm trying to get there! I'm not fast enough. Oh, there he is. Okay, alright guys. Squadron, assemble
Did you
on the
upgrade
corner.
your suit since we last played?
I may have made some color changes.
It reminds me of Deku.
It reminds you of what?
Deku.
Yeah, it does look very Deku, doesn't it? Elijah, would you get over here?
Where did
We should probably
Squadron
assemble
go?
on a building, actually.
Okay.
Oh, I'm lost.
Elijah, just look on your map.
I
Right
see
there.
See that? It worked out. I went to the building that we were gonna assemble on anyways.
We assembled here
tried,
because
but
you were over here. Freaking idiots.
They don't know that.
Anyway, guys, we haven't been talking to you for a while. Welcome back. Kwasi, if you don't stand on my left side, I will kill you.
I'll stand on the other one.
Thank you, Elijah.
Alright.
Jesus Christ.
On your left.
Buddy, on your left.
Jesus.
This
Alright,
is a pretty
guys.
gosh darn. Jarvis, we should make that thumbnail.
Make this the thumbnail?
Or something resembling this.
Anyway, guys, welcome back. We're playing Marvel Heroes Online.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
We're playing
You ain't even got it.
We're playing DCUO. As you can see, I am the guy with the disc on my feet. He is the guy with the wings that should be. And he is the guy with the fire and the speed. I like that like we all responded appropriately to that. Thanks. Alright, so what are we doing first? Alright, select Birds of Prey since Kwasi is behind.
Why you gotta
Now-
say it like that?
Because you're
Alright, class.
because you're black. And we can say that without being cancelled because we're both people of color. We're both POCs. In fact, all three of us are POCs.
Yeah, that's why I was like, why did you say both?
Assad.
Because like I said it. I said it. Jesus Christ.
I said it. I said it.
I said it.
Stops.
Wow! Whoa!
So which way are we supposed to go?
We have to go to the police station. I don't know where the police station is at from here. I have to set it on my map. Alright, guys. Follow me!
I ain't doing nothing.
That movie got pushed back!
Along with like pretty
Where
much.
did y'all get the driver?
That's our editor. That's his name.
Oh. Saw, dude.
Elijah, I hate you.
Me too.
No!
Oh
Hate
my
yourself,
god.
you're great. I didn't mean.
Ah,
I won't let you go. Nobody wanna no.
Just start jamming out.
To start, that song was a bop, bro. You can't tell me it
Honestly,
wasn't.
that. I mean that song.
Jarvis.
what
Jarvis,
what
You
happened?
know exactly what.
You didn't hear him?
No.
He said a naughty word.
Like it just slipped out.
Honestly, it is what it is.
It is what it is.
At this point, go ahead, do him. Jarvis will just have more work, you see?
Oh.
And that's okay. We'll work
What are we
Jarvis to the
paying for?
bone. You guys want to get some new
Where's
costume
that?
pieces? Well, I'm sorry to say, you can't
Yes.
afford any of them.
Oh.
Not gonna lie, I thought that was Thanos for a second. I was like, wait, what?
No! How did he get here?
This isn't even your universe.
Get out of here!
You gonna see him crying in the corner, please?
I didn't. I tried to have my own universe, but instead I got kicked out of theirs. Like, imagine Thanos is just depressed now. Like, you try to cut the universe in half one time and suddenly no one respects you.
I mean,
like,
you did murder, like, a lot of my friends and my family.
You committed the worst genocide. The worst genocide to ever be experienced. The number of people that you killed, we don't have a number for it.
And it's not even just people too, because you saw how
It was
like
for a good cause. It was for a good cause.
I was
you saw
committing.
how in Endgame, like the tree that Ant-Man was looking at, it came back. So that means like the trees went away too. So it was like 50% of all living creatures. So it's like you didn't do anything.
Anything that had DNA. You're awful.
It's funny because somebody who might end up watching this show, she's not caught up with the Marvel movies.
Oh.
So yeah.
Wait, are
Jarvis,
you talking about who I think you're talking about? Spoiler warning. Oh my gosh, it's 2020.
Validated parties.
I don't care. She can get caught up on her own time. That's not my problem.
Nobody
I just
told
said
her
it
to
to say,
watch us.
Either don't watch our videos, don't watch this video, or just be okay with spoilers.
Kwasi, it's
What?
2020.
Gives a heck.
Exactly.
2024 in the Marvel universe.
Exactly. Get with the times. It's not my fault. I don't care. Okay, I have no idea how
be a supporting subscriber.
I have no idea how to get to BOP Metropolis.
Me neither.
Yeah, I was
It's not showing.
this whole time.
It's not showing anything on the map.
This mission is probably as stupid as that movie was.
No, 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 no,